This is our CNC router. It was custom built for Renaissance guitars in Santa Cruz, and now we have it. To use this router, you must take our class and get certified. Currently, we're making cute little bats, and we use Fusion 360 for the software. Our class includes file preparation and everything you need to know to use the machine. The CNC has a Porter cable router in it. It can handle large bits and even handle bits as small as 25 thousandths of an inch. It is big, powerful, old, finicky, and possibly haunted. It's very popular for cutting plywood sheet. Here are a few quick examples of what can be made on our CNC machine.